Series second runner-up is Miss Emmy Luga. Our Mr. Little St. Therese second runner-up is candidate number Mr. po ito yung Mr. Candidate number 1.
Siya yung Mr. Baby Kemi.
So our winner will, second runner-up will receive a sash and of course a trophy and a special gift, academic discount. Congratulations to our second runner-up. And now, our Miss Little St. Therese second runner-up, Ma'am Emilu, please stay on stage. Thank you so much. Our Miss Little St. Therese second runner-up is none other than candidate number 3. So our winner will receive a bouquet of flowers, a sash,